I'm so excited about my new little robot vacuum. It is so cute and sleek looking, and I love that it has so many different settings. On the bottom, you can see it has these little pieces that will attract dirt, and then back here is actually a mop setting. So I just put some liquid in, clean air solution, and then it actually mops your floor as well if you choose to do so. So you can have it mop, or you can have it vacuum, or you can have it mop and vacuum. So the cool thing about this vacuum is that it can be the quiet, or it can be low, medium, or loud. And then I love that it can also do the mopping and the vacuuming. And the cool thing is you can actually control it from your phone, and it will actually map out your apartment so it knows exactly where to go. And it does work on hardwood and on carpet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like and what the app looks like as well. But I definitely recommend if you're someone who has a pet and wants to clean up all that cat hair or dog hair, or you also just want to keep your house clean. If you have children, it's also great. So I definitely recommend to anyone who's looking to clean up the house and make it very stress-free. This has been so easy to use, and I definitely would recommend.
So here is what the vacuum looks like plugged in. So this is how it also charges. So it's super easy, and when it's done cleaning, it will just return back to this home charger, which I absolutely love. And this is what it looks like in motion. It is amazing because it really reaches all those little cracks and finds all the spaces that you wouldn't think it could get to, but it does an amazing job at cleaning up all those little crumbs and taking care of anything with the mop as well. So your floors will literally just be sparkling. I'm so obsessed with it. And here is what the app looks like. So it actually maps out the entire floor, and you can choose the whole entire house, or you can choose just a room for the vacuum to hit. I'm just choosing a room right now. And then as you can see, it shows the battery percentage, and also shows a lot more features about your apartment and about the vacuum. And then you can clean or pause cleaning. And down here you can see that you can do quiet, normal, strong, or max, and 3 different settings for the water as well. So I definitely recommend.